In crowded lives, a tiny habit can reset a tense moment by signaling care without words. A single 5-second touch, eye contact, or shared breath can dissolve distance doors previously slammed shut. This micro moment primes the brain for cooperation, reducing cortisol and inviting curiosity about the partner's perspective. The trick is consistency, turning sporadic gestures into a quiet language that builds safety and predictability. When couples practice these brief reconnectors daily, trust grows, conversations soften, and love habitats flourish again, and everyday life feels lighter.